फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज आर एम भट हाई स्कूल परळ. Dear students, today we are going to study 9th standard geometry's third chapter, triangles. In this practice set 3.2, we are going to study this congruence of triangles. So when two triangles are congruent, that is the very important thing in geometry. That congruence of triangle plays very important role in geometry. In 9th also and 10th also. So when two triangles are congruent, means ABC PQR, ABC QRP, ABC RPQ. This is 3. Then PQR remains constant. PQR ABC, PQR BCA, PQR CAB. So this 6 types of one-to-one correspondence are there. So for the given correspondence, yani for given correspondence, when two triangles between the vertices, if two conditions are there, if first condition corresponding angles are congruent, अगर corresponding angle का pair, corresponding angles and second condition is there. What is the second condition? Corresponding sides are congruent. The triangles are congruent. Then the triangles are congruent. So to become congruent, their corresponding sides must be congruent and their corresponding angles must be congruent. Therefore here side AB congruent side PQ, side BC congruent QR, and angle C congruent angle R. Then we can say these triangles are congruent. So how can we write? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, for given correspondence which congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R, and the side AB congruent side PQ, side pair side AC congruent side PR. Then what we can write? Then triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. So this is the sign of congruent. Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. So here we see the definition of congruence of triangle. If the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. So how many components are there? 3 sides or 3 angles. Yani 6 parts must be congruent. But every time, no need to prove that all 6 parts are congruent. 6 elements of the triangle, these are called element of the triangle, are congruent. Only 3 of them, only 3 means specific, not any 3. A specific 3 components are congruent, specific 3 elements are congruent. Then we can write by different test this triangles are congruent. That is called test of congruence of triangles. So here different tests of congruence of triangles are there. So let us see the test of congruence of triangles. Now let us see this ASA test of congruence. If 2 triangles are there, then 2 pairs of corresponding angle, means angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R, means two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent and their included side, included means this is the common side for both the angles, और दोनों एंगल के बीच में जो साइड है that is called included side. Then these two triangles are becomes congruent by ASA test. So how to write mathematically? I am not writing the statements. I am writing directly mathematically. How to write? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. For which one-to-one correspondence? ABC corresponds PQR. This one-to-one correspondence is there. If angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R, and side BC congruent side QR, then what we can write? Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by which test? ASA, angle side angle test. So in this way we can prove two triangles are congruent by ASA test. Two pairs, yani BQ, this is the one pair, CR, this is the second pair. Two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent and उनके बीच में का side means included side, pair of included side is congruent, then we can write the triangles are congruent by ASA test. This side angle side test. For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, the statement is there. For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding side, yani this AB congruent PQ, this is the one pair of corresponding side, BC congruent QR, this is the second pair. Two pairs of corresponding sides are congruent and the included angle, यानी दोनों साइड के बीच में जो एंगल आएगा वो, the angle included between these two sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent by which test? SAS test. So ABC and PQR, these two triangles are given. For the given correspondence ABC, one-to-one correspondence PQR, what we can write? If side AB congruent side PQ, this is the one pair of corresponding sides. Second pair of corresponding side BC congruent side QR, means two pairs of corresponding sides are congruent and angles included by them, angle B congruent angle Q, then what we can write? Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by which test? SAS test. So this is the second test of congruence, SAS test of congruence. Here, if two pairs of corresponding sides are congruent and one side pair of included angle, these are two pairs of corresponding sides, बीच में का एंगल अगर congruent है तो SAS. SSS test of congruence, if three pairs of corresponding sides, means three sides of one triangle are congruent to the three sides of other triangle, or three pairs of corresponding sides are congruent, then directly we can say these triangles are congruent by SSS test. So how to write? In triangle ABC and PQR, for the given correspondence, if side AB congruent side PQ, first pair of corresponding side, BC congruent QR, second pair of corresponding sides are congruent, and third pair side AC congruent side PR, means all the three pairs of corresponding sides are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by SSS test. So this is the SSS test of congruence. So these are the three tests, important tests. ASA जिसमें दो एंगल उसके बीच में का साइड, SAS जिसमें दो साइड बीच में का एंगल, और SSS यानी तीनों साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट. द कॉन्ग्रुएंस इज हाइपोटेनस side test. Now this is useful only in a right angle. Let us see this hypotenuse side test, which is useful in a right angle triangle only. Here pair of hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree. If hypotenuse and one pair of corresponding sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test in two right angle triangle. Here how we can write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. For ABC 1:1 corresponds PQR. These are two right angle triangles. Remember, if hypotenuse AC congruent hypotenuse PR and one pair of corresponding side AB congruent side PQ. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by hypotenuse side test. So these are the four tests: ASA, then SAS, SSS, and this hypotenuse side test. So depending upon this or using this test, we have to solve practice set 3.2. So let us see practice set 3.2. The first example from practice set 3.2. In this first example, what is given? In each example, two triangles are given and the congruent parts of the triangles are shown by the same sign. Then what we have to write? We have to write by which test the triangles are congruent. Now let us see the first example. Here in triangle ABC and PQR, the side AB congruent PQ, side BC congruent QR, and side AC congruent PR, means all three pairs of corresponding sides are congruent. Therefore, by which test? By SSS test of congruent triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. Simple things are there. Question number 1 is so simple. Here in this triangle, XY congruent LM, YZ congruent MN, means two sides are congruent and which make an angle, the angle included by them, that Y and M are congruent. So which test is there? SAS. So side angle side, or by SAS test, this triangle XYZ congruent triangle LMN. So in this way, in question number 1, two triangles are shown and their congruent parts, equal parts are shown by the same sign. Then only we have to write the test of congruence. So do the remaining sum. Here, this is the second sum from practice set 3.2. In second sum, this is activity based question. One figure is given. In that figure, some information is shown. Now from that information, this is already written in a paper. We have to complete the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, means this is for 2 marks. Here two triangles are congruent shown by any test, and then write the remaining congruent parts. That type of question is there. दो ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताना है, उसके बाद उसका जो बाकी का, क्योंकि 6 पेयर्स रहते हैं उसमें से 3 हम लोग टेस्ट में यूज किया, बाकी का 3 हम लोग को लिखना है. ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. सो हियर व्हाट इज गिवन? ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle PQR, two triangles are given. In figure, angle B congruent angle Q, segment BC congruent segment QR, angle C congruent angle R. That is given. So from the information shown in the figure, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC congruent angle PQR, we can write here reason given. No need to write, but we can write the reason given. Segment BC congruent segment QR, that is also given in the figure, and angle ACB congruent angle APRQ, that is also given. So all three are given. Therefore, these two triangles becomes congruent by which test? One angle, middle side angle. So which test? ASA test. So in first box we have to write ASA test. Now, when two triangles are congruent, their remaining parts are also congruent. So angle BAC is congruent to angle QPR. So angle BAC congruent angle QPR. Reason we can write in short CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Then segment AB congruent segment PQ. Segment AB congruent segment PQ. This is the second pair, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And third pair, segment AC congruent segment PR. So here we have to write segment AC congruent segment PR. So in this way, this activity is completed. Here we get half mark. Here we get half mark. For this box we get half mark, and for this we get half mark. So this is for total 2 marks. So in this way, we have to complete this question number 2. The second question from question number 2, complete at home. So let us see question number 4 from practice set 3.2. Do that 3 yourself. 3 and 4 are same. As shown in the following figure, write the test which assures the congruence of the two triangles. We write the test of congruence and then write the remaining congruent parts. Means we have to write these two triangles are congruent by so and so test. So we can write here the complete sum. So in triangle, which triangles are there? Triangle LMN and triangle PMN. So what is given? In triangle LMN and triangle PMN, segment or side LM congruent segment PN. Here write the reason in geometry for every step given. Then segment LN congruent segment PM, that is also given. Then third pair, where is the third pair? This is the common side for both. Therefore segment MN congruent segment MN, this is the common side. यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है हम लोग को रीजन? Common side. Therefore triangle LMN congruent triangle PMN by which test? SSS test. ये तीनों ट्रायंगल, दोनों ट्रायंगल SSS test से congruent हो गए. Now write the remaining congruent parts. When two triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are always congruent. तो यहाँ पे अगर 3 साइड हो गया तो तीनों एंगल बचा है. तो which angles? Angle LMN PNM. So first pair angle LMN congruent angle PNM. Second pair angle MLN MPM. Angle MLN and angle NPM. Second pair. Third pair angle LNM congruent angle PMN. So for all these three corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So in this way we can write the remaining congruent parts of that triangles. So here this question number 4 is there. Write the test of congruence and then write the remaining congruent parts. Observe question number 5 from practice set 3.2. What is given in this figure? Segment AB congruent segment BC, segment AD congruent CD. Then prove that. Whenever there is a prove that, write given and to prove. So what is given here? Given. In figure, in so and so figure, or in figure. What is given in figure? Segment AB congruent segment BC, segment AD congruent segment CD. Then what we have to prove? Then to prove what? Triangle ABD. ABD means this one. ABD, this one, and this is second. Congruent triangle CBD. That we have to prove. Now, how to write the proof? Here the answer means our proof. So whenever we have to show two triangles congruent, we have to write in so and so triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle CBD. So see three pairs of corresponding elements. Which three pairs of corresponding elements are congruent? वो हम लोग को देखना है, और वो कौन से टेस्ट में बैठता है? ASA, SAS, SSS या हाइपोटेनस साइड. ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल नहीं है, मतलब हाइपोटेनस साइड तो नहीं है. तो हियर व्हाट इज गिवन? सेगमेंट AB फर्स्ट पेयर, सेगमेंट AB congruent segment BC. Reason given, दिया है. Segment AD congruent segment CD, that is also given. And third pair, which one is the third pair? ये देखो यहाँ पे, this is the common side BD. Segment BD congruent segment BD, this is the common side for both the triangles. Therefore, triangle ABD becomes congruent triangle CBD by which test? SSS test. The sum is completed. Only have to show by which test these triangles are congruent and write this information. Write like this given. क्या क्या दिया है? टू प्रूव में क्या प्रूव करना है हम लोग को लिखना है, और प्रूफ में आंसर रहेगा. इजी, वेरी इजी. Now let us see the last sum from practice set 3.2. So here what is given in this figure? Angle P congruent angle R. Angle P congruent angle R. What is given in figure? Angle P congruent angle R. Second thing, segment PQ congruent segment QR or RQ. Then to prove triangle PQT is congruent to triangle RQS, or which test? So in triangle PQT and triangle RQS हम लोग को क्या करना है? कोई भी तीन पेयर ढूंढना है. दो पेयर तो ऑलरेडी दिए हैं, एंगल PQ और दिस वन, दिस QR and PQ. So this is the third one. Angle Q is the common angle for both one. So how to write in this figure? Angle P congruent angle R. Reason is given. Segment PQ congruent segment RQ. This is also given. And third pair, angle Q is congruent to angle Q. This is the common angle. ये दोनों के लिए कॉमन है. Therefore, triangle this PQT becomes congruent to triangle RQ as by which test? देखो, angle, side angle, by ASA test. So in this way we can solve that practice set 3.2. Friends, here that practice set 3.2 is completed. If you have any doubt in practice set 3.2 or the test of congruence of triangles, then you can write in the comment box. I will definitely solve that doubt. If you like my videos, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel to get the latest videos, and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.